In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get payment with Pandadoc. To begin, open the Pandadoc document where you want to collect a payment. Make sure your document is in editing mode because you will be adding a payment option directly into the file that your recipient will review and sign. Next, go to the payment option and choose Add to Document. This places a payment element into your document so the signer can complete payment as part of the same workflow. It helps keep everything in one place, which can reduce delays and prevent missed invoices. After the payment element is added, click the payment block itself. When you select it, choose Setup. This is where you define how the payment will be processed, who will pay, and what amount will be charged. Take a moment here to confirm you are working in the correct document version, especially if your team uses templates. Now choose your payment gateway. Common options include Stripe or PayPal. Select the gateway you want to use, then click Connect. If this is your first time connecting, Pandadoc will prompt you to link your account so payments can be deposited correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts until the connection is confirmed. A stable connection is important, so if the setup does not load, refresh and try again. Once the gateway is connected, assign the payer role. This ensures the correct recipient is responsible for paying, especially when your document has multiple signers or viewers. Then set the amount. You can enter a manual amount if you want a specific charge, or choose Auto if your document uses pricing tables and you want the total to pull in automatically. Double-check the currency and totals so the recipient sees the exact amount you intend to collect. Next, select the payment type. Choose one-time for a single charge, installments for a split payment plan, or recurring for ongoing billing. Pick the option that matches your agreement terms because this choice determines how the recipient will be charged. Finally, click Done to save your payment setup. Then send the document as you normally would. The recipient will be able to review, sign, and pay according to the settings you configured. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.